This is a boat that was a recent purchase. Took it to the lake and didn't want to shift into reverse. Someone has been playing with the shift adjustments. Right now we've got it so it just barely locks into reverse, it just barely locks into forward, so we sort of split the difference. Transom sort of concerns me, because someone's put a weird transom on this thing. But anyway, he said the motor runs great, and I don't like that his steering's pulling out. It's just got little screws holding on there. Go ahead and start it up and shift. Okay, forward. And reverse. Go ahead and shift it. There's forward, neutral, and reverse. And the cable shifts easily, and it's not a problem with it binding up or any problem with the control box. It's just that they've run out of adjustments on it.